When you're designing a strategy that's got a series of inputs, you've done your optimization and you found these ranges and you found stable ranges, and you've basically got a system that you think, actually, this looks to me like it's credible. I suppose that the question that now goes through my mind is, do you believe that systems should be tailored to individual markets? Or would you then take that system and say, now I'm going to apply that to data from a different market and expect a similar range of stability or not? How do you feel about that?
I would say it's when you have a system and you're tailoring it to a specific market, it doesn't necessarily have to work well in other markets. Obviously, though, let's say if you're doing something for the S&P. When I develop something for the S&P, I would expect it to do okay on the Dow, NASDAQ, the other broad market indexes.
Yeah.
I wouldn't expect it to do well in Apple.
Okay.
Stock, like that, or any stock for that matter. So what I would say is you really...
See, we're in a real trading room here.
Basically, so it's kind of yes and no. If you're doing a broad market type index, yeah, it should work. It doesn't have to be as spectacular, but it certainly shouldn't fall apart.